Okay, so good evening, everyone. So I am here to present to you the different people behind mathematics, which is can be included in the LET examination for professional teacher. May in the yung may mga majorship na math. Ano po, so baka lang naman lumabas itong mga taong ito. So, i-share ko lang para pag lumabas, hindi lang ako yung makakasagot, kundi kayo din. Ano po? Okay, so let us start with the let question, mathematician. So, I am not